Welcome again to the YouTube channel for the website SeeWhat'sIn.com. Today I am going to be giving you a virtual tour of a truly unique van. This is a total one-of-a-kind, a vehicle that's very often requested but impossible to find. This is a true one-of-a-kind gem in the condition that it's in. I am featuring for you a 2006 Ford E350 6.0 liter turbo diesel with approximately 60,000 miles on it in completely pristine condition. This van in and out is like new. We've set it up as if we were going to be utilizing it ourselves in our fleet or for personal use. Mechanically, we did a complete upper engine reseal and everything involved, all of the updates and upgrades involved with that. It's about an $8,500 value. Brand new tires, not a dent, ding, or scratch on the body, solid cargo area, ice cold air conditioning, bulkhead partition. It is ready to go to war. Due to the large amount of requests that we get for these diesel vans, we always have them on our radar. They're very difficult to find in the condition that we consider selling vehicles in. And so if you're looking for something like this, no matter where you are in the nation or in the world, this is a vehicle to definitely consider. Will it end up being turned into a four-wheel drive somewhere up in Canada? Or are we going to ship it to Hawaii? Who knows this time? We sell over 98% of our vehicles to people who are not in our local marketplace. And it is because we're selling that rare, high-quality merchandise that you just cannot find anywhere else. Over 70% of our sales last month went to repeat customers. This is a common thread throughout the year. On average, we sell about 65% of our vehicles to repeat customers. The reason for this is because once you do business with us, you will find that you're getting truly turnkey ready, put it into service vehicles right out of the gate for a fraction of the price of new, or like this 6.0 liter turbo diesel that is not even produced anymore. It is a rare, one-of-a-kind find that you simply can't find anywhere else in the condition that we're selling them in. Our website, SeeWhat'sIn.com, is set up to fully run the show. 365 days a year, 7 days a week, you can go to the website, SeeWhat'sIn.com, and see exactly what we have in stock. We keep the inventory on our website current constantly. That way, no matter where you are, no matter what time of the day, you'll be looking at an accurate depiction of what we have available. We also let you know what will be coming in soon. Our How to Buy tab will complete the circle of knowledge so that you understand how you can purchase your next commercial vehicle from us. It's 10 simple steps. Read it over carefully. We have a commercial financing tab on our website. We have 3 powerful lending solutions for commercial vehicle purchases for business owners with Federal Employment Identification Numbers, also known as an FEIN. So if you're a business owner and you need one or multiple commercial vehicles, go to our finance tab and our lender should be able to help you get the loans that you need so you can retain your working capital and grow your business effectively. If you're going to be purchasing one of our vehicles for private use and you do not have a Federal Employment Identification Number, you'll have to go to one of your own lenders or come up with your funds. We can assist you in doing that. You might be wondering how you're going to get this beauty in your driveway. The way to do this is very, very simple. You can either fly here to beautiful sunny Las Vegas, Nevada, where we're located just 5 minutes from the Las Vegas airport. We will pick you up from the airport, bring you here to our facility where you can inspect the vehicle that you're purchasing, check out the rest of our inventory for consistency. You will absolutely be mind blown. Our paperwork process is a quick 5-minute signature process. And then when you're done, as a thank you from us to you, we will treat you to a stay and buffet on the world-famous Las Vegas Strip, just 1 mile behind us here. It's a very convenient way to get a little rest and relaxation in with a business purpose trip, and it makes complete sense. The next morning, you get up, you drive home in your beautiful new purchase, or you can even fly home and have it shipped. The choice is yours. If you cannot make it to Las Vegas, if you do not have the time, we understand. We have a shipping tab, and a growing number of our customers are having these vehicles shipped without even moving a muscle, like Amazon or eBay. There is a fee involved, but it's nominal relative to the service, depending on where you are. Obviously, the fees fluctuate, so read over our shipping tab for more information about shipping. Now let's get into this absolutely stunning 2006 Ford E350 6.0 liter turbo diesel with merely 60,000 miles on it, looking and acting like a vehicle that is sitting in the showroom. Completely solid, not a dent, ding, or scratch, perfectly ready for your logo, sitting on 4 100% tread depth, commercial grade, highway tread, load range E tires. This is a tire made by Hankook for Sears, very high quality commercial grade tire, freshly spin balanced, freshly aligned. As I mentioned before, the brakes are completely replaced, rotors are replaced, calipers are replaced. We check the lights, replace the oil. It has Ford Gold fluids, Ford filters. Very important in these diesels to always stick with the Ford product fluids and filters. 2 brand new die-hard gold top of the line batteries. The suspension has been gone through very carefully. Bushings, ball joints, upper and lower control arms, I-beam bushings, exhaust, no rattles, no leaks. Completely inspected for perfection. Passenger door is nice and tight. There's no looseness in this door. There's no looseness in the handle. No scuffing in the door trim panel. Power windows, power door locks, tilt wheel, cruise control, a completely flawless passenger entry area. No crushing, tears, odors, cracks, or damage to the headliner. This van is in 100% condition. Ice cold air, hot heat, no holes in the floor. There's just absolutely no damage to report. It is as if this vehicle has been frozen in time. It has a very convenient barnyard doors. For many conversion applications that I see, the barnyard doors come in handy because you can use these doors for additional shelving and equipment. From what I've seen, you have beautiful non-slip commercial grade custom cut cargo mat, a brand new Cargo Master top of the line powder coated bulkhead partition. Look at the inside of this van. Ford has that wonderful double steel interior, double steel walls. You'll see there's no innies or outies anywhere on this van, and it is no windows. Equipped with a 1000 lumen LED light that we have installed aftermarket because they just blow the factory lights out of the water in brightness, luminosity, and comfort of being inside in dark spaces. It's a continuation of the brand new set of matching tires. Beautiful diamond steel kick plate. It's just a very tidy van. Everything about it. This is not your typical 1-ton diesel. It's very, very rare. If you're looking at this video in a small time frame in time that it is available, Place your deposit as quickly as possible because these vans generally do not stick around very long. The driver's door opens and closes very nicely. Power windows, door locks, side view mirrors, no scuffing in the driver door, no tears in the driver's seat, no holes in the driver floor, no damage to the steering wheel. There's really nothing negative to report. This is an outstanding unit. Now let me hop in here. Now let's listen to this beautiful 6.0 liter turbo diesel. Put it in drive. Pop it into reverse. Nothing quite like the sound of a diesel. Got your tilt wheel, cruise control on the steering wheel. Completely creature featured out for a cargo van. Beautiful engine compartment. You'll notice there are no batteries in the engine compartment because the two brand new die-hard gold batteries that we've installed are underneath the passenger side. My name is Bianca. We make a YouTube video for each and every vehicle that we get in. Our inventory is absolutely incredible. Make your way to the website, SeeWhat'sIn.com. Add it to your favorites. It is a must-have for business owners that need to supply their fleets with vehicles, that they don't have to spend a bunch of time finding and setting up, and the headache that comes with that, or the absorbent amount of money that is spent when purchasing new that is lost right out of the gate, and then time setting them up the way that you want them to be. Subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see when we get new inventory in. I hope I get to sell you your next commercial vehicle. Thank you for watching.